Good evening. Thank you for joining me on tonight. I wanted to come to you with a book I thought would be so amazing. It's called When Your Elephant Has the Sniffles. This book is written by Susan Leonard Hill, illustrated by Daniel Wiseman. Sniff, sniffle, sniff. Uh-oh, does your elephant have the sniffles? Uh-oh. When your elephant has the sniffles, you must take good care of him. Put him to bed, even if he tells you he's just fine. Look at that elephant. It's not feeling very well. And so, what do you think she's taking him? Very, very, very correct. She's taking him to bed. Do you go to bed when you're not feeling well? Do you take the time to rest? It's very important. At first, your elephant might not mind being tucked into bed, but after a while, he will go bored. He gets bored. So, you will have to think of fun things to do. He's in the bed, he's laying down, and he's actually trying to rest. But he couldn't rest. He got so bored, he got up. And guess what? She had to find something exciting and fun to do. After that, your elephant will probably announce that he's had enough and he's getting up. Distract him by dressing up and singing a song, but be careful what props you use. Uh-oh. How about that? The prop you use, it might make him sniffle, sniffle, sniffle. Let's see what else happens. Because after all your hard work, his nose might begin to itch. Uh-oh. And twitch. Do your nose do that sometimes? Itch and twitch and choo! Woo! Oh dear. When your elephant has the sniffles, you just might end up with them too. Look at that. So the prop that she used, it tickled and tickled his nose. And guess what? All of those little feathers made him go, ah! Choo. Did you notice what I used to catch my sniffles, whiffles, sneeze? That's right. I used the inside of my armpit. Ah, choo! That is what you're supposed to use. Okay? So, you don't want to use your hands. You want to try and use your armpit, okay? All right? Will you remember that? So when your elephant gets the sniffle, whiffles, diffles, try to remember, put him to bed, get a lot of rest. And what else? What else can you tell me? What did you say? Find something exciting for him to do. And what else? What did you say? Did I hear you correctly? Ah, someone said you want to make sure you pick the right prop for him. So it's exciting and fun. And you want to do what? You want to be very, very what? That's right. Be very careful what you pick, because the very thing you pick, it might tickle, 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 frickle, tickle, tickle his nose and make him go, ah, 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 choo. And guess what? If he catch the sniffles whiffles, you are going to catch the what? Sniffle whiffles. Yay! Very good. Thank you so much for joining me. And don't forget, come back and join me again. So tonight's book was When Your Elephant Has the Sniffles, illustrated by Daniel Wiseman, and the author is Susan Leonard Hill. Thank you.